Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl the cooking angel and we're back with another video. We're making veggie rice today, so add 2 cups of rice to a pot. This is already washed rice, and then you stir that together so that the down doesn't stick. Now cover your pot and parboil it. So when you're done, take it off the fire and wash your rice before we get into the main thing. So for this, we're using vegetables. We have bell peppers, carrots, spring onions, kidney beans, so many other things. So now cut your vegetables. So guys, now this is the start. We are going to be using tiger nuts for this particular meal, and tiger nuts is a very thick drink, so you don't need so much. If you put in a lot, you have a very mushy meal. So now add your parboiled rice into a pot, then come in with your tiger nut. Add at least half of the glass that you saw me pouring before, because if you had more than that, you'll have your rice being all gummy. It will be creamy, but it will be gummy, and if you don't like that, it's better you stay off and add more water instead. Now come in with salt, nor cubes, pepper, because at least we need a little bit of spice in this, right? Now mix that all together and make sure everything gets incorporated into, the meal needed. So guys, now you cover your pot and let that boil till it's dried. So in a pan, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then come in with spring onions, which is really acting as our onions here, then add in garlic. I always say that garlic is important, guys. So stir that together and make sure the aromas has to come out before you come in with anything else. So now we're going to add our chopped carrots. Carrots should always be in your meal because they're very good vegetables and they are pretty cheap compared to other ones. Add in peas. This is just normal peas. Then now kidney beans. This is actually the local kidney beans, so you have to parboil this before you put it in and make sure it is soft. So guys, stir that all together and make sure everything is evenly, like, starts to get soft. Then you come in with your seasoning, salt, Maggi. Guys, don't worry, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. Stir that together and make sure all the condiments get into the food. I did not add pepper here because I'm really not a fan of pepper. Now you're going to add tiger nut milk again, because we need tiger nut everywhere. This is a tiger nut infused veggie rice, guys. If you take a look at this and you notice that the tiger nut starts to get thick, it's like as if it's like a thickener inside. So do you understand? That's the reason why I asked you not to add it too much when you were putting it into the rice. So come in with your bell pepper, that's green bell pepper, and stir that together and you're already good to go. Cover your pot and let that boil for 2 minutes. It's time for you to transfer this into the rice, guys. So now open your pot and look at it. Now if you notice, my rice is a bit mushy because I added too much. So if you don't want your rice like this, don't add too much. Add more of water than the tiger nut drink. Sefe, Abby, do you understand? Yeah, you guys should understand. So stir that all together and make sure everything gets incorporated, and guys, you're good to go. Man, like, you're literally good to go. I don't forget spring onions, sorry, but anyway, spring onions is really one of our very key ingredients, if I must say. So now you're ready, you're good to go. Scoop everything out and enjoy yourself, guys.